Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Infiniti Q50 louder. We'll cover various methods, from simple bolt-on parts to more involved modifications. Understanding your options will help you achieve the perfect exhaust note. We'll discuss different exhaust systems, muffler and resonator changes, and important considerations like local regulations. Let's get started on enhancing your Q50's sound. Upgrading your Infiniti Q50's exhaust system is a primary way to increase its sound. Catback systems replace everything from the catalytic converter back, offering a comprehensive sound change. Axle-back systems are a simpler option, modifying only the rear muffler section. Full exhaust systems provide the most dramatic transformation. Selecting quality materials like stainless steel ensures longevity and a consistent sound. Modifying or removing your Infiniti Q50's muffler and resonator can dramatically alter its sound. Replacing the stock muffler with an aftermarket option directly influences volume and tone. A resonator delete will significantly increase the overall sound intensity. It's wise to research and listen to sound clips of various muffler types to find your preferred sound. Professional installation is highly recommended for optimal results. Before making any modifications to your Infiniti Q50, it's crucial to consider a few key points. Always check your local noise regulations to ensure compliance. Professional installation is highly recommended to prevent exhaust leaks and ensure proper fitment. Listening to sound clips of different setups can help you choose the right components. Sometimes, engine tuning can further optimize performance with your new exhaust system.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.